Hello everyone, my name is Balraj. I am going to explain security issues in cloud computing under the guidance of Sridevi Mali Patil, Assistant Professor, Department of CSE, Arva University. Firstly, I am going to introduce about what is cloud. Cloud is referred as a large pool that holds easily accessible and usable virtualized resources to manage variable load and optimum usage. These resources are configured dynamically. Cloud computing is a distributed architecture that centralizes server resources on a scalable platform so as to provide on-demand computing resources and services. Cloud service providers offer platforms for their customer to use and create their services much like internet service provider offer come out. Cloud computing has provided many exciting services and features like reliability, unlimited storage, portability. But cloud security is still a big issue. Being the most trending technology, the research is done widely on cloud computing and especially on cloud security. Security guidance for critical areas of focus in cloud computing as an initial product to help users get better insight about clouds and the security parameters. Now, futures of cloud computing. On-demand self-service. The user can continuously monitor the server uptime capabilities and alert network storage. With this feature, the user can also monitor the computing capabilities. Cloud provider. The cloud provider is also known as computing resources to provide services to multiple customers with the help of a multi-tenant model. The services are easily maintained and the downtime is very low. And even in some cases, there is no downtime. The user can access the data of the cloud or upload the data to the cloud from anywhere just with the help of a device and an internet connection. These capabilities are available all over the network and accessed with the help of internet. These are the features of cloud computing. Now I'm going to explain this applications of cloud computing. Data storage and backup applications, business applications, education applications, management applications, and entertainment applications. These are the 5 applications of cloud computing. The main issue and topic of the seminar is security issues and their solutions. The trust is the main issue which we are going to explain and given the solutions. Trust between customers and service provider is the main issue faced by cloud computing nowadays. Customer is never sure whether the service is trustworthy or not and whether his data is secure from introduce or not. The customer and service provider are bound by a security level agreement document. The second issue is confidentiality. Confidentiality means to prevent the disclosure of private and important information. Since all information is stored on geographically dispersed locations, confidentiality becomes a big issue. I think many methods are used to preserve confidentiality, from which encryption is the widely used method, but it is relatively an expensive method. And next one is authenticity integrity. It is also a main issue faced by cloud computing. It refers to the improper modification data resides in different places, very fast comparative, uh, very fast compared to encryption itself. The main idea behind it split the data over multiple hosts that are non-communicated. Key management. While doing encryption, we need encryption or decryption keys, and managing these keys itself is a big security issue in cloud environment. Storing this environment encryption keys on cloud is a bad option. It is easy to store single encryption key for the real-time systems. But again, that's not a good idea because the purpose for which we are shifting our data to clouds will become worthless. Next one is literature survey. Designing the cloud computing used in e-government information security, an approach for data storage security, a survey on security issues, a way of cloud computing. These are all the literature survey we have done. Next one is security issues in cloud computing. The cloud computing has 3 major components: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. In past few years, cloud computing has grown to one of the fastest growing segments of IT industry. But this growth needs cloud security to be intact. Below mentioned are few important issues of cloud computing. Privacy. Cloud computing, virtual computing technology. In this, users' personal data is kept on various virtual data centers, which may cross information boundaries. This is where data privacy protection is controversy of various legal systems security. Where is your data more secure? On your local hardware drive or on a high security service in the cloud. Some of them argue that customer data is more secure when managed internally, while others argue that the cloud provider have a strong incentive to maintain trust and such employ higher level of security. However, in the cloud, your data will be distributed over this individual computers regardless of where your base repository of data is stored. Reliability. This is one of the main issue of cloud computing. Server in the cloud have the same problem as your own resident servers. The cloud servers are also experience downtimes and slowdowns. What are the difference is that the user have a higher dependent on cloud service provider. CSP is a model of cloud computing. There is a big difference in the CSP service models. Once you select a particular CSP, you may be locked in, thus bring a potential business accuracy. Conclusion. One of the biggest security worries with the cloud computing model is the sharing of resources. Cloud service providers need to inform their customers on the level of security that they provide on their cloud. In this paper, we discuss various models of cloud computing, security issues, and research challenges in cloud computing. Data security is a major issue for cloud computing. This seminar highlights all the issues of cloud computing. Thank you.